All right, Miss McNeil and Miss Bird here. I'm going to show you guys how to control the other person's screen that you are working with. So maybe you have a kid that you want to record, you want to control their screen, show them how to do something. You can do, now Miss Bird is the host, but she could request me to remote control or I could request her to remote control. She's the host, but I'm going to request to remote control her screen. I'm going to request it. And then, Miss Bird, does it pop up on your screen? And she's going to accept. And now you can see I'm controlling her screen. I can actually literally go into her documents and click on them. I can even type in her documents. Now, here's the thing. Miss Bird, you can do the same thing, right? She can go in, and Miss Bird can be working in her documents too. So she can go and click and do what she wants. Can you show? There she is, doing what she wants. So this is awesome. Then you just go up at the top, view options. If you want to give it up, you give up remote control. So you can request it. So this is great for when you need to show a kid how to do something on their document, on their Canvas page, on whatever. All right.